right. I like this one. Hello, Chelsea.
Hello.
Wow, I love it. Who made that?
No.
Who made that? It's your mommy? Is it mommy?
No.
No. Is it you?
No.
Did you make that?
No.
Wow, that's so good to see. You look so cute. Yeah. Well, teacher, because of that, teacher will give you a heart and teacher will give you a clap. Yeah. All right. That is so cute, Chelsea. I love it. Okay, you're so funny. All
Mm-hmm.
right, so beautiful. Can you say thank you, teacher?
I'm good teacher.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. Oh, what is that? Are you a mouse?
No.
Are you a mouse? Or are you a cat? Oh, what is it? A mouse or a cat?
Cat.
Okay, what is the sound of the cat? What is the sound of the cat?
No.
Meow,
No.
meow, meow. All right, so teacher will also try to wear this. Yeah, I am a cat too. Oh, meow, meow. Yay! Very good. Oh, okay, good job. Wow. Okay, very good. Very good, Chelsea. I really love your your makeup. Yeah, I really love it. Yeah, smile. Smile. Okay, all right. So are you ready for our class today? Are
Yeah.
you ready? Yes. Okay, if you're really ready, can you say meow? All right? Meow. Or if you're ready, can you say meow? Okay, one more time. I cannot hear you. Say meow. Okay, very good. All right, so teacher will now share the screen. All right, teacher will now share the screen. Are you ready? Since you're ready, I will share the screen now. Okay, Cat, can you see the screen? Can you
Yeah.
see the screen? Yes. All right, so since you can see the screen, did you do your homework? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, very good. So you did your homework. All right. So we're moving to your letter F, page 22. Okay. All right. So let's try to answer number one.
Yeah.
Okay. Number one is, what is that? Can you try to read it? This one?
What does she look like?
Okay. What does she look like? All right. So what does she look like? What is your answer? Is it A, she is tall? B, no, my cat is cuter than it. Or letter C, I'm scared.
Uh,
Oh,
she is tall.
what is your answer? What letter? Letter
A.
A. Okay, can you try to read letter A?
She
She is?
she is tall.
Okay, she is tall. Very good. How about number 2? How
What?
about number 2?
How do you feel?
Okay, how do you feel? Okay, what is your answer?
Mm, I'm happy.
Okay, I am happy. So the answer is, how do you feel? Okay, how about number 3? Can you try to read number 3?
Mm, no, my is that your dog? No, my dog is taller than you.
Very good. No, my dog is taller than it. Okay, is taller than it. Very good. Good job, Chelsea. Okay, so do you have any more questions?
No.
No. All right, so the answer here is she is tall. How do you feel? And no, my dog is taller than it. What is the sound of the dog? What's the sound of the dog? Ruff, ruff. Again, that is the sound of the dog. Ruff. All right, so very good. So good job. Now let's move to the next page. So letter G. Okay, can you try to read this one?
Mm, listen, choose, and write. Then role play with your partner.
Okay, let's role play together. Okay, so I will be, teacher Noreen will be Harry, and Mia will be Chelsea. Okay, you're gonna be Mia, and teacher Noreen is Harry. Okay, hi Mia, what's the matter?
I lost my dog, Wolf. I'm sad.
Oh, wait a moment. Let's put here, I am sad. Okay, so what does he look like?
He is white and fat.
Okay, he is,
He
he is
is
white.
white and fat.
Is that your dog?
Mm,
Is that your dog?
no, my dog is smaller than me.
Okay, no, my dog is smaller than it. Is that your dog?
No, my dog is beautiful, more beautiful than me.
Oh, there is another dog. Is that your dog?
Yes, that's my dog. What does he look like?
Okay, the answer is yes, that's my dog. I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy. Wow, what is that? What's that?
Mm,
Ah, is that a
mirror.
mirror? A
Yeah.
mirror. Yes, very good. Again. So again, can you try again to read again? Let's read again. So teacher will be Harry and you will be Mia. Okay, last one. One more time. Let's read. Hi, Mia. What's the matter?
I lost my dog, Wolf. I'm sad.
What does he look like?
He is fat.
He is white and
is white and more beautiful.
Here. Can you try to read this one again?
He is white and fat.
Very good. Is that your dog?
No, my dog is smaller than me.
Okay. Is that your dog?
No, my dog is more beautiful than me.
Oh, there is another dog. Is that your dog?
Yes, that's my dog. What does she look like?
Okay. All right. So the answer is, can you try to read this one?
I'm happy.
Okay. The answer is, I'm happy. All right. So Mia is happy because she found her dog. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. So now, oh, okay. Sit down. Okay. Sit down. So we're done with your study book. And now let's proceed to your workbook. Okay. Workbook. Wow. Wow. Amazing, huh? I love it. Okay. All right. So let's proceed to your workbook. Okay. Workbook, workbook, workbook. Oh, wait a moment. Review. No. Okay. All right. So going back to your study book. Okay. So let's finish first your study book. Okay. Study book, page 24. Yeah, study book. All right. Oh, why did you close your camera? Oh, there you are. I can see you now. Okay. So are you there now in your study book? This is page 24. Page 24.
Ma.
Hello.
Okay.
Oh, there you are. Okay, I can see you now. Meow, meow. Okay. So, all right. So we're moving on to your study book, lesson number 4. Can you try to read this, Chelsea? Can you try to read this? I'm
looking so beautiful.
okay. Okay. That is study book, page 24. Yes. Okay. All right. So we're now in your page 24, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's try to read this. Can you try to read this aloud again? I'm
Oh, I'm looking at the butterfly.
okay. I'm looking at the butterfly. Do you like butterfly?
Yeah.
You like butterfly. Oh, where are you?
Yeah.
Meow. Meow. Where are you? I cannot see Chelsea. Oh, there you are. Okay. Chelsea, do you like butterfly?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So these are the butterfly. What color of butterfly do you like? What color? Hmm. Wow. This? Do you like this?
Yellow.
This one?
Yellow.
Or the yellow?
Yeah.
This? Wow. So Chelsea loved the yellow butterfly. Okay. That is so beautiful. Oh, wow. How about this? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Oh, teacher Noreen also loved the color. Oh, how about this one? Do you like this?
Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah. Okay. So those are the butterflies. Okay. Beautiful butterflies. Oh, what is it? Hmm? Okay. Butterfly. Okay, very good. Okay. All right. So going back. So let's try to read the story. Okay? Can you try to read the story here?
What
Can you try to read?
what are you looking at?
Mm-hmm. What are you looking at? I'm
I'm looking at the butterfly.
okay. I'm looking at the butterfly. And then the other one.
Uh, what are you looking at?
Mm, I'm looking.
I'm looking. I'm looking at the spider.
Okay, I'm looking at the spider. Okay, all right. So those are the story. Okay, for your homework. Okay, this will be your homework. Okay, your word practice. All right, your homework will be here. Okay, homework page 25. Okay, homework. Yeah. Okay, and next one, your homework will be the sentence practice. Okay, sentence practice homework. Okay, all right. So, okay, so Chelsea, Chelsea. All right, can we take a picture together?
Yeah.
Come on. Yes. All right. So let's take a picture together.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, where is in the face? Is it gone? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's gone. Okay, okay. Well, let's take a picture again. Okay. All right. So let's take a picture. So say cheese. Okay, nice. All right. So that's it for today, Chelsea. So see you again tomorrow.
Bye,
Goodbye.
bye, 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 bye,
Bye
bye.
bye.
Mm.